a pumpkin spice coffee for today, since today is seasonal decorating for autumn, and I have all of our autumn decor sprawled out around the living room. So we're going to go ahead and decorate the inside of the house for autumn. So I really like to get into the spirit of autumn by opening up all the windows and letting the sunshine just come in, because today is a cooler day. I believe it's around in the 60s, almost to the 70s. Lately it has been around like 40 degrees at nighttime, so it's been really nice waking up to a really cool morning. So we're going to be creating that autumn atmosphere. So we're going to mainly be decorating today in the living room and a little bit in the kitchen, not much, but then tomorrow we're going to be decorating the front porch as well as the back porch. It'd be really nice to be able to transform our space, especially on the front porch, because it's a little run down. I still have the spring stuff up. I didn't switch out the spring and the summer wreaths because I didn't get a chance to make a summer wreath, so we'll do that next year. So I'm really anxious to get the front porch a new spruce, so I can't wait to do that. So I'm going to start this off with a autumn poem, because I've been seeing a lot of people starting off their autumn decor process with
Leaves
an autumn
by
poem. So
Elsie and Brady.
Well. So
How silently they tumble down and come to rest upon the ground, to lay a carpet rich and rare beneath the trees without a care. Content to sleep, their work well done, collars gleaming in the sun. At other times they wildly fly until they nearly reach the sky, twisting, turning through the air till all the trees stand stark and bare, exhausted drop to earth below to wait like children for the snow.
Cozy is starting to look a lot like fall. Got all of our brand new covers that we bought last year, so I'm excited to cover or cozy on up on the couch with these. And this is on the couch 24/7, but I'm thinking about turning this into like a duvet cover, because I do have a white duvet cover that goes over top of one, but I'm thinking about dyeing it red so that not only will it match with the decor in here all year long, but it will also match the Ohio State theme in the bedroom in the back. So I'm thinking about doing that, so we might make that a project here coming up. I am attempting to dye some clothes that was for nylon, but it's not dyeing nylon, so, or spandex, it's for spandex too. So I gotta figure that out, or I just may have to trash it. I'm not 100% sure. I got some bleach stains on my yoga pants, but I absolutely love these yoga pants, so I'm trying to salvage them, but I'm not sure if I can, but we'll see. So that's a project in for itself for is make some pumpkin pillows. I have one pumpkin over there, but it's not an actual pumpkin pillow, but it does what I want it to do for now. So I was thinking about making a large pumpkin and then making a medium one and probably putting them over here somewhere, or maybe over there, I'm not sure, because this is like my area to cozy on up with my son as well, but we'll see. But we might make those tomorrow, or we might do it for the autumnal equinox. I'm not 100% sure, but we will be making these this season. That is a must on my bucket list. Okay, so next on our agenda for decorating for autumn, we are going to be using these dried floral and making arrangements around the house, and I have a ton more over here, as you can see. So we have all these flower arrangements, and I'm going to be putting them up. There's going to be flower arrangements there, 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 and there, and hopefully right there, and maybe possibly on the kitchen table. Not 100% sure, because I did throw away some flowers last year because they got kind of moldy from the rain or something getting on it. So this year we're going to be doing something different. I usually have, well, I kind of switched it around, but I usually have this flower arrangement for the table, and then I have like candles around it. I'm not sure if I want that on the table or if I want to leave the table bare for now and then decorate it with some stuff that I purchased in October. Probably leave the table bare for now, which will look kind of weird with all the decorations, but we'll see what we can do. And then I have a bunch of these little fairy lights, but these are orange, so I'm thinking I'll probably put this on the front porch and then just put the battery inside so it doesn't get wet. I don't believe it is 100% waterproof. It might be, I have to read it, but we're going to use these. This is orange, so this should be good for the front porch. We'll see. I do have some fairy lights already up in this whisker basket right here, as you can see, and I just have to add batteries. I think this one is rainbow colors, so we'll probably put this somewhere else in the house, but because I might put the arrangement up there where that is. We'll see. I don't know. Still playing around with these ideas. I'm still trying to think of how to decorate, because I usually do the same decorations in the same places around the whole entire house. Well, this year I want to do it differently. Some can be in the same place, but for the majority I want to do something different for a different look, and then see what to purge at the end of the season, and then some ideas on what to purchase for next year. So we'll go ahead and plan that, because I kind of want to do a swap out with some of the decor that I have. So I do want to do a little bit more DIY and crafts for the autumn, because last year for the autumnal equinox we made these, if you remember. So I'm gonna do a little more crafts this year for decorating and incorporate that. I do need to go on a little hunt to find some pine cones, which I may just go to my parents' house and get some from them. We do have pine trees down the road, but they are neighbors, and I'm not 100% sure if I will be allowed to pick a couple up, but we'll see. Maybe they'll let us. And we're going to go for a little nature walk to hunt for some leaves because I have a little DIY that I want to do, and we'll see what else these days will bring for us. Ta-da! And that is a wrap on our autumnal decorating for this year. So all this decorating has definitely brought a lot of warmth into the home for this autumn season, and it's really cozy feeling in here. I'm really excited for all the memories that we're going to be making this autumn season. We have a lot on our bucket list, which I will be sharing here probably next week or the week after. And there's going to be a lot of projects, and I can't wait for this season to officially begin with all the cool air and the atmosphere and everything. So, well, that is a wrap on today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video, and I hope you and all your family are doing very well. And I will see you next time. Bye!